Imagine waking up in 2029 to find 100,000 humanoid robots seamlessly integrated into society. Science fiction? Not anymore. In a groundbreaking move that could redefine the landscape of robotics and artificial intelligence, a prominent U.S. firm by the name of Figure AI has unveiled an ambitious plan to construct 100,000 humanoid robots by the year 2029. This initiative aims to revolutionize industries ranging from manufacturing to healthcare, promising to enhance productivity and efficiency like never before. But what does this mean for the future? The creation of a robot army raises intriguing questions about the implications for the workforce, ethical considerations, and the very fabric of society. As we delve into this topic, we'll explore how these humanoid robots could assist in daily tasks, provide companionship, and even tackle complex challenges. Imagine a world where robots seamlessly integrate into our lives, transforming how we work and interact. Join us as we embark on this revolutionizing journey into the future of humanoid robots, uncovering their potential impact and the exciting possibilities that lie ahead in the realm of robotics and AI. What happens when a major U.S. company decides to build an army of 100,000 humanoid robots? The answer might redefine humanity's future. At the heart of this ambitious project lies a clear mission: to harness the power of robotics and artificial intelligence to create a more efficient and innovative future. Figure AI envisions humanoids as integral components of their long-term strategy, designed to complement human capabilities and address pressing challenges across various sectors. Recent technological advancements, such as improved AI algorithms, enhanced machine learning, and sophisticated robotics, have made this vision not only feasible, but also practical. These humanoids are expected to revolutionize industries like healthcare, where they can assist in patient care, streamline administrative tasks, and even provide companionship to the elderly. In manufacturing, humanoids can take on repetitive tasks, allowing human workers to focus on more complex and creative endeavors. By integrating humanoids into everyday operations, the company aims to boost productivity, reduce costs, and ultimately improve the quality of life for individuals and communities alike. The future we have coming is different, and the possibilities are endless. A robot that can care for your elderly parent, work in dangerous environments, and revolutionize manufacturing, all by 2029. The future is arriving faster than you think. The creation of humanoid robots is powered by a wave of cutting-edge technologies that are transforming the landscape of robotics. At the forefront is artificial intelligence, which enables humanoids to learn from their environments, adapt to new situations, and interact with humans in increasingly sophisticated ways. Coupled with advancements in robotics, these AI systems allow for more fluid and natural movements, making humanoids more lifelike. Machine learning algorithms further enhance their capabilities by enabling them to improve performance over time through experience. The line between human and machine is blurring. With 100,000 humanoid robots on the horizon, which side of history will you be on? Sensors and actuators play a crucial role in this development, providing humanoids with the ability to perceive their surroundings and respond accordingly. For instance, advanced sensors can detect obstacles, recognize faces, and even gauge emotional cues, while actuators facilitate precise movements and gestures. Existing humanoid robots such as Boston Dynamics' Atlas and SoftBank's Pepper exemplify these innovations, showcasing how technology can create robots that not only perform tasks but also engage meaningfully with people. The future of humanoid development is full of potential but also concerns. 100,000 humanoid robots are coming. Will they take our jobs or become our greatest allies? The clock is ticking toward 2029. As we venture into the era of humanoid robots, it's essential to address the ethical implications of building a robot army. One of the most pressing concerns is job displacement. As humanoids integrate into various sectors, many fear that they could replace human workers, leading to significant unemployment and economic shifts. This societal impact raises questions about how we can balance technological advancement with the well-being of the workforce. Another critical issue revolves around the autonomy and decision-making capabilities of humanoids. As these robots become more advanced, the potential for them to make independent decisions poses ethical dilemmas regarding accountability and responsibility. Who is liable if a humanoid makes a harmful choice? To navigate these challenges, establishing ethical guidelines for humanoid development is paramount. These guidelines should address issues of safety, transparency, and the moral implications of humanoid interactions with humans. By prioritizing ethics in robotics, we can ensure that the integration of humanoids benefits society as a whole, while minimizing potential risks. They walk like us, think like us, and soon they'll work alongside us. The robot revolution isn't coming, it's already here. Humanoid robots hold immense potential across various fields, revolutionizing how we approach tasks and challenges. In healthcare, they can play a vital role in patient care and assistance, providing support to medical staff by monitoring patients, administering medication, and even offering companionship to those in need. Their ability to interact empathetically can enhance the overall patient experience, making healthcare more accessible and efficient. In the customer service and hospitality industries, humanoids can serve as receptionists, concierges, or even wait staff, delivering information and assistance with a friendly demeanor. Their presence can streamline operations, reduce wait times, and improve customer satisfaction, allowing human employees to focus on more complex tasks. Moreover, humanoids are particularly valuable in hazardous environments such as disaster response scenarios. They can be deployed to assess damage, search for survivors, and perform tasks that would be dangerous for humans, thereby saving lives and minimizing risks. The versatility of humanoids opens up exciting possibilities for enhancing efficiency and safety across multiple sectors. The integration of humanoid robots into society has sparked a range of public opinions, as evidenced by various surveys and studies on attitudes toward these advanced machines. Many people express curiosity, disbelief, and excitement about the potential benefits of humanoids, while others harbor concerns about job displacement and ethical implications. Research indicates that acceptance often hinges on factors such as design and functionality. Humanoids that appear more human-like and exhibit natural movements tend to be received more positively. Additionally, the role of media plays a significant part in shaping public perceptions of humanoid robots. Movies and television shows often depict robots in either a utopian or dystopian light, influencing how people envision their future interactions with these technologies. Positive portrayals can foster acceptance, while negative representations may instill fear or skepticism. As humanoid robots become more prevalent, understanding and addressing public concerns will be crucial for fostering a harmonious relationship between humans and machines, paving the way for a future where both can coexist and thrive. Would you trust a humanoid robot to care for your loved ones? By 2029, this won't be a hypothetical question. Figure AI promises humanoid robots to be both exciting and transformative. With rapid advancements in technology, we can expect humanoids to become increasingly sophisticated, featuring enhanced artificial intelligence, improved mobility, and more intuitive interaction capabilities. These developments will enable them to perform a wider range of tasks, from complex problem-solving to emotional support, making them invaluable companions in both personal and professional settings. Humanoids could significantly change daily life and work environments by automating routine tasks, allowing humans to focus on creativity and innovation. In homes, they may assist with chores, provide companionship, and even help with childcare. In workplaces, humanoids could streamline operations, enhance productivity, and foster collaboration between humans and machines. However, the journey toward this future hinges on ongoing research and development in robotics. Continued investment in ethical considerations, safety protocols, and user-friendly designs will be essential to ensure that humanoids are integrated seamlessly into society, ultimately enriching our lives and enhancing our capabilities. Every technological revolution has reshaped society. The humanoid robot era may be the most profound transformation yet. In this video, we explored the ambitious plan of Figure AI to build 100,000 humanoid robots by 2029, highlighting the potential implications for various sectors, including healthcare, customer service, and hazardous environments. We discussed the technological innovations driving this project, the ethical considerations surrounding humanoid integration, and the public's perception of these advanced machines. As we look to the future, it's clear that humanoids could significantly reshape our daily lives and work environments, making ongoing research and development crucial for their successful integration. If you found this discussion intriguing and informative, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more engaging content on robotics and technology. We want to hear from you. Share your thoughts on humanoids in the comments below. Do you see them as beneficial or concerning? And don't forget to check out our related videos to dive deeper into the fascinating world of robotics. Your insights and engagement help us create content that resonates with you, so let's keep the conversation going.